Have you ever wondered what your baby looks like in the very first month? Let's take a magical peek inside the womb. Week by week. Week 1. There's no baby yet. Your body is just preparing the perfect place. Your uterus is lining up, ready to hold new life. Week 2. Your egg is released and waiting. Once it meets the sperm, the tiniest spark of life begins, smaller than a grain of sand. Week 3. Now the fertilized egg travels to your womb and attaches safely. Your baby is just a tiny ball of cells, dividing fast, forming the base of the brain, heart, and spine. Week 4. Your baby is now the size of a poppy seed, about 1 millimeter. The heart is starting to beat softly, and the first signs of life begin to glow inside you. It's amazing. In just 4 short weeks, a miracle has already begun. Like this video, share it with moms-to-be, and follow for more baby growth facts every week.